Hey guys, it's a cold rainy day here in Massachusetts, not going to do any riding. However, I got an upgrade here. This is not needed, but definitely a nice upgrade, and that's the double take foldable mirrors. Yeah, these things are pretty amazing. Lifetime warranty. This is some type of composite. It almost sounds like metal, but it's not. The arms are made out of cast metal, aluminum it feels like. And I got the round mirrors with the short arms, installation kits, and we're going to put them on. Now, the factory mirrors get knocked loose quite a bit. So we're going to take it off. And you get these installation kits. They get all kinds of different stuff with them. And it looks like this is going to be pretty simple. There's different length sleeves and bolts and all of that, but I think right the way it came is what I'm going to end up using. And that doesn't feel like the right threads. I'm not sure. Let's match it up with the mirror. Definitely not the right threads. So let's take a look and see what we got here. You got a longer bolt. You got longer bolts and shorter bolts. All right, that one's the right thread. And I think the shorter one's going to go on this side. The longer one is going to go on this side with a different spacer to keep the mirrors even. That one doesn't feel very good either. Yeah, that's the one that's going to go in there. So let's get our tools out here and see. Oh boy. Too big. I've got a bunch of stuff out in the race trailer for the race bike. So I've got stuff in different areas. Let's just make sure that this is, yeah, that's the right thread. And we're going to use some Loctite. It could just be that there's, looks like there was some type of thread locker on there. So that could have something to do with it. Looks like something was in there. That's a pretty deep hole. Going to go ahead and test fit this. It's that simple. Loosen up the clamp, put it on the ball. Tighten it up. There you go. So now you can adjust however you need it. They're super stable. And the good thing is you can fold them in when you're off-road, and you don't have to worry about banging them. Very nice. That was much easier than I thought it was going to be. I'm hoping that the angle on the video is good. Let's see. Go ahead and take the other one off, and we're going to do it the same way, same length, because the factory mirrors were the same length. It's going to be a pretty short video, it looks like. Whoops. All right. What I'm going to do is take these back off, put a little bit of Loctite on the bolts. Somebody had posted that they had a problem with the tusk guards. I had cut the ball off of this, and I really didn't need to because it's underneath. However, they were saying that their clutch lever was not lining up with their grip, and that's because they've got this on a portion of this bend. You have to push it up tight against the housing, and then the lever is flush and, you know, not up or down with your grip. I like the tusks. I haven't had any issues with them. I'm sorry that guy's having problems, but yeah, no problems here. All right, let's put the other mirror on. This is like too simple. There is a top and a bottom, which I didn't realize on the other side, but I had it right. Totally adjustable. Tighten them up, and you can adjust these however needed for the road use. And then again, you just loosen them, fold them in, and they're out of the way when you're off-road. So, just a little quick to do. The instructions, like I said, very simple. I don't know if there's a top and a bottom or not. Looks like there might be. I might have this one on wrong. Let's flip it around, because see, there's a big gap here. The other one, not so much. So just be sure that you get, yeah, because the bottom ball is a little bit bigger than the top one. All right. Yeah, there we go. Now we're good. Nice, even. Out of the way. Perfect. And of course, my camera mount, it's clamp-on style. I can move that to the center and still have my bike mounted camera. Not bad. Not bad at all. That was much easier than I thought it was going to be. Hey, tires, they're on the way. I'm starting to get parts. I've got the tubes, I've got the bead locks. I am just waiting on the tires. The tires are going to get here. I'm going to swap them out. I'm going to tell you what I got, and we'll go out for a trail ride. So with that, there you have it. DoubleTakeMirror.com. And like I said, these things seem to be really sturdy. And a lifetime warranty on all the components. So if something happens, the balls get chewed up or something, I don't think they're going to cover the mirrors. If you break a mirror, I'm not sure if they'll cover that, but I haven't really looked into the warranty. And you've got everything you really need to make it all fit in these kits. So there you go. All right. Hey, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care. That's my pit bike sitting there. I use that at the racetrack. And yeah, I got a ton of shit in here. I really need to clean out my corner of the garage here and get my tools organized. But yeah, it's wintertime in Massachusetts. Cold, rainy today. No riding, but I wanted to get these mirrors on. So hope you enjoy the video. Have yourself a great day.